Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny here, back at it again. With Jamie over here. Say hello to the camera, Jamie. Say hello. Say hello. And say hi.
Hi.
Okay. It's been a busy week. Got a lot going on. I gotta make these things for this weekend. We're gonna go sell at a car meet again. So we're getting everything really prepared. We're gonna sell this one today. This is a pretty dope one. It lights up. And we got the little clips on there for a reason. But it has little pictures on here and it lights up, which in my opinion is really dope. I like it. We got more. We got this other one over here too. Look at that. Damn. Oh, let me turn this one on. The reason this one's brighter than this one is because this one's black. So, but I mean, oh fuck. It's really messy in here right now. Cause I mean, we just been working on these things, trying to get them out ready for Saturday. We're having a car meet. If you're local to San Diego, go ahead and check it out. It's called Stage 4 or something, Stage 4 Street or Street Stage, some shit like that. Go to check more information on my Instagram or whatnot. But yeah, I mean, we're just getting these done. We got a whole bunch done. They're inside. This place is a mess right now. Well, because we've been working on this. He's covering up. He's being nice about it. This guy right here doesn't think my car, the S2000, will start up right away, but I'm gonna go get my keys right now just to prove him wrong.
No, it doesn't start right away. Want me to pop the hood? You heard your master. Oh. Awkward! Can you believe that? Can you believe that? It doesn't start, huh? What a hunk of
Battery's dead. That doesn't count. The
battery's dead. So today we're checking out the Toyota Corolla. It's a 2004.
Oh shit. So the battery didn't start. That's only bro. The battery's dead, so that's why it didn't start. Other than that, it would have started for sure.
Oh, hey there! Welcome back to our Meisters 2.0. It's better than Meisters 1. Here we have our blue pool noodle. We went with blue because it's the color of water. And if you don't know what a pool noodle is, it's probably because you can't afford to watch this show.
So this one, it's finally going to a good home now. This is pretty dope. I like it. So
You'll like that. This is it.
here are the rest that we're finishing up. Just putting some buttons on them.
I've decided to hurt in the 9th grade, which I
Just ruined my
Aisha, tell them about how your Honda doesn't start.
Where's Ray at to tell you that you're annoying?
Jamie! How would you do that
Oh, God, oh my
Oh.
God. You're on punk, bro. How do you feel?
to me? I feel like
How do
I
you
just
feel?
got punked. I'm so scared, terrified. I don't trust anybody anymore.